Hey there, JamesBearVR here, your newest virtual reality enthusiast. I make mostly Rec Room related content on my channel with occasional stuff from VR chat, big screen, and alt space. I also make my own song, music, and covers with some VR 180 videos in the mix as well. Yes, I am a nudist, a lifestyle where people choose to go nude in the comfort of their own home or in areas where it's legal to be bare. I usually mention it in passing throughout my videos and even at times nude, albeit cleverly censored in some of my videos. If you are wondering, I do have a speech impediment due to my history of having a cleft lip and palate with various surgeries and speech therapy. This is pretty much how I sound a majority of the time. It's just another unique aspect to myself. Please consider to subscribe to my channel if you are fine with what I make. Main uploads for shows are usually on Fridays, Sundays, and Wednesdays, but I try to upload as much as I can. Some months may have more content than others. If you like to help the channel out, please consider to check out my Cash App in the description below to donate any amount. Your contribution will aid to the channel's VR bright future. Thank you and enjoy my channel.